Hey guys, Abs here. In the next few moments, I'll be showing you exactly how you can boost interaction on your websites, how you can increase the duration of each visit to your website, all by using a free WordPress plugin that once installed on your website makes it look absolutely fantastic. So the actual WordPress plugin is called YouTube Channel Gallery, and what this allows you to do, it allows you to install an interactive sidebar widget with various YouTube videos that look absolutely fantastic, and it also allows you to embed them onto posts as well. Now this is very different to any other WordPress plugin that I've actually seen. Firstly, it's totally free of charge, and secondly, it works absolutely wonders. So this is my website here, guys. As you can see, it's actually a website that I use for testing, and it's actually got my WordPress WP Notes plugin in here as well, which also boosts interaction on your website, and also increases the length of each visit. However, what this doesn't have, it doesn't have much media in here whatsoever. Obviously, once I click the WP Notes section, you can see an image in here. However, it doesn't have any videos or anything in here. And what this WordPress plugin actually allowed you to do is install a WordPress widget, a sidebar widget, or enter it onto your page. Okay, so I've actually got this installed, guys. I'm going to be giving you the actual link as well, but I'm going to be quickly giving you a demonstration and showing you exactly how cool this is, so then you can actually come up with your own conclusion as to you having it, or should you be installing this on your own sites, or should you not. Again, it's totally free, guys. I certainly recommend it, and I'm going to be certainly keeping it here as well. Previously, I did actually have a Rebel Mouse widget on here, guys. However, that actually left links back to Rebel Mouse. I didn't want that, and the only way to get rid of that was to become a premium member. Anyway, so let's go over to my appearance, and I'm going to go over to widgets, guys. And I'm going to be showing you exactly how we can install this. So I've got YouTube Channel Gallery widget here. I'm going to enter this into, I'm going to drag this into my sidebar area here. I'll drag it underneath the WP Notes area, and as you can see, I've actually already been playing around with this. Again, guys, I'm going to be leaving you a link showing you all the documentation as well. But what you can do here is you can actually choose from videos that are uploaded by a user. Alternatively, you can actually embed playlists as well, which is real cool. So obviously, if you got a website about, say, how to lose weight, and inside of your YouTube channel, all you have to do is create a custom playlist, and you can have this actually embed everything for you. So anyway, I'm going to go to uploaded by a user. My YouTube ID is Platform Bomber. Okay, and I'm going to be using the cache time, I'm going to be using the cache, activate the cache for 24 hours cache, and you can actually click on these and I'll actually tell you all about that as well. So I'm going to go over to the player now. So I'm going to go show player above thumbnails. You've got two options here, guys. You can have a play around with this as well, but it's very simple. I'm going to use a light color here. The progress bar color, I'll go with white, and video quality, I'll go with default, so let YouTube control that. With thumbnails, I'll go to number of videos to show, I'll say 4, and here we'll go number of columns, we'll go 2. I can actually add the no follow attribute to links as well. So show title and description, I can go with show title, I can go with bottom, or you can actually choose the position there. Description, if you actually want to enter the description, then you can actually enter how many words each description should actually show, so you can actually make the styling of it look real cool as well. You can leave a link as well, so I'll actually leave a link here as well. See more social media marketing videos. Okay, show link to channel, and I'll open it in a new tab as well. And I'm going to click on save now. And what we're going to do is we're going to actually go over here, and I'm going to click on refresh. And there you go, guys. As you can see, we've got a number of videos here. This is the actual widget. I think it looks fairly odd actually, showing them descriptions. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go over to thumbnails again. I'm going to remove the title. I don't want to show the title. I'm going to click on save. And I'm going to go back over to here, and I'll click on refresh. And that looks much better actually. That looks absolutely fantastic. Okay, so let me show you exactly how this works and why it's so cool as well. Obviously, you can hide all these as well. You can. There's a number of options you can use to hide the YouTube the links and the auto, you can actually have them autoplay as well. Again, I won't be leaving you the link so you can actually play around with this, but you can actually play this with inside of the website. At the same time, what you can do is click on one of the videos here, one of the thumbnails, and it'll open up in the main window, which is absolutely brilliant. Now, this isn't the only thing that you can do as well. So if you didn't want to display it in your sidebar widget, I'm going to be personally displaying it in my sidebar widget. The reason behind this, guys, and the reason it's real cool that you can actually embed from based on actual channel ID is because every time you add another video to that channel, it's going to automatically refresh here as well, and it's going to be showing your latest videos. Alternatively, if you want to keep it related to your actual blog and you want to make a specific playlist inside of YouTube, then certainly you can actually go ahead, do that, enter the playlist, and you can actually have the playlist ID, and you can actually choose to show that playlist in ascending or descending order, which is brilliant. So anyway, I'm going to go with upload by user, but what I'm going to do, I'm going to actually remove this. I'm not going to show it on my sidebar because I'm going to show you something else that we can do as well. So I'm going to click on refresh again. So I'm going to show you that it's gone. Okay, and what I'm going to do now is I'm going to actually show you this post as well. This is using exactly the same widget, guys. Okay, but this is actually using a shortcode. So as you can see here, I can actually click on this video here. It's going to open up in this same window here. I'll click on this video. It's going to open up in this same video in this same window here, and exactly the same. So the cool thing about this, guys, is you might have some websites that you'd want to show videos on every single page, in which case you can actually use a sidebar widget. Alternatively, you might have pages or posts that you actually want to show videos on with thumbnails, or actually embed a playlist into your WordPress websites, in which case you can actually use this method. So I'm going to actually show you my post and show you exactly how that looks as well. So I'll go over to posts. I've actually only been playing with this today, guys. So here it is, social media marketing videos. And when you see the post, you'll actually see how customizable this actually is. So this is the actual shortcode, guys. It's a very simple shortcode, but what this does, it actually provides you all the control that you have in that sidebar widget, but based on a shortcode here. And I'm going to be leaving you the links. You can actually add and customize your CSS, so it's very, very customizable as well. So you can actually, I haven't done any customizations on here whatsoever. I mean, we could actually play around with this. Let's have a look at this. Let's do the alignment to center. I think the center is an American English, so let's click on update, and we'll go back over to here, and I'll click on refresh. And there you go, guys. So here we go. We've got some bigger thumbnails in here as well. Again, you can control the size of all these as well, the video width. You can create the thumbnail. You can set the thumbnail width on here as well. So anyway, guys, this is a very cool plugin. I certainly recommend we start all using it. Google loves having media, images, multimedia, videos, everything that users can interact with on your websites, and that's exactly what this plugin allows you to do. So if you've got any clients, guys, and they have their own videos about their products, and this would be a good idea to use on their websites. It also gets you embeds to your YouTube videos, guys, so again, you're passing over more rankings to your videos. Alternatively, you can actually use this as a curation plugin as well. You can opt to leave out all of the links in here as well. So if I can go to show info as 0, I think that's how it would work. Let's just have a look here, and what this will do, this will actually leave out all the titles as well. So I'll click on refresh here. Okay, it didn't seem to work. Okay, it doesn't show the info here, but it shows the infos underneath here. I'm sure there's another control to that somewhere as well. Let's have a look. Thumbnail columns, title, here we go. We'll do a title as 0. I'm just doing this so we can actually see exactly how customizable this is. So here we go. We've got no titles in here as well, guys, whatsoever. We could still have them aligned to the left hand side as well. We could change the height and the width of these as well. Oops. And the cool thing about this is if you wanted to use this as a curation tool, guys, so say for example you got a website that's about dog training, you didn't actually make your own videos but you want to show videos on your website, then you might want to actually use this step whereby you're actually embedding a number of videos to the on the website, guys, and you're not actually leaving any link backs to the actual videos.
Hey guys, Abs here.
But you're actually embedding them on your website, so the user's always going to stay on your website and they don't have any way to actually get off, which is absolutely fantastic. So anyway guys, there's a number of uses to this plugin. I highly recommend it for your own sites, for your client sites. It's going to increase the time users spend on your website. They're going to get stuck on your website watching videos, which is absolutely fantastic. Sends the correct signals to Google and shows Google that we're an authority. When users are coming over to our websites, they're staying on our websites and we're keeping them engaged. It also makes your websites look very nice. And again, it also boosts user interaction as well. So again guys, the actual plugin that I'm using is called YouTube Channel Gallery. I'm going to be giving you this website, sorry, the actual WordPress link here as well, but you can actually find the plugin by going over to plugins and typing in YouTube Channel Gallery in there as well. There's no actual settings inside of the plugin guys, so once you actually install the plugin, then it's a matter of using the shortcode, going over to appearance, or using the widget. It's entirely up to you, but do be sure to actually pay close attention to exactly how to use the plugin and to the various shortcodes that can be used. Again, there's examples of using the shortcodes as well, so it's very simple, straightforward. You'll have it working within no time at all. So thank you very much guys, and I hope you enjoy working with the free plugin.